Selecting a sub-panel for adding extra outlets involves several considerations. Here's a breakdown of available options and key factors to keep in mind. Several manufacturers offer suitable two-space, two-circuit sub-panels. Firstly, Cutler Hammer offers the CHX-224, which is a two-space, two-circuit main breaker indoor/outdoor sub-panel. Also from Cutler Hammer, there is the CHQ-2, a two-space, two-circuit enclosed sub-panel, which can be used outdoors with a separately purchased kit. Secondly, Square D provides the Q124M2, a two-space, two-circuit main breaker indoor/outdoor sub-panel. Square D also offers the Q0822, a two-space, two-circuit enclosed sub-panel suitable for outdoor use with an additional kit. Thirdly, Eaton has the BR20200, a two-space, two-circuit main breaker BR series sub-panel. Another Eaton option is the BR202, a two-space, two-circuit enclosed BR series sub-panel, requiring a separate kit for outdoor installation. Fourthly, Siemens offers the PN222, a two-space, two-circuit main breaker outdoor sub-panel. The Siemens PN2 is a two-space, two-circuit enclosed sub-panel which can be used outdoors with the purchase of an additional kit. When selecting a sub-panel, several factors should be considered. Firstly, regarding the rating, choose a sub-panel rated for the amperage and voltage of the circuit. This is crucial for safety and proper operation. Secondly, consider the number of spaces. A two-space sub-panel can accommodate two circuit breakers, which is the requirement in this scenario. Thirdly, think about the enclosure type. Main breaker sub-panels are available in indoor/outdoor or enclosed configurations. Consider where the sub-panel will be located to choose the appropriate type. Fourthly, evaluate the ease of installation. Look for sub-panels with features like pre-drilled knockout holes and mounting brackets, which can simplify the installation process. Fifthly, ensure proper grounding. The sub-panel should have a proper grounding system to protect against electrical shock. Sixthly, consider the warranty. Choose a sub-panel with a reliable warranty for peace of mind in case of any defects or issues. The correct sub-panel will depend on the specific electrical requirements and location.